Hello and welcome. A few people have asked me would I do a video on how I modeled my A350 in Fusion 360. And now that I'm pretty much coming up on finishing it up and finishing up my U2, I just decided to go ahead and do a series of videos on how I modeled the Airbus in Fusion 360. If you want to learn Fusion, I would suggest that you go to YouTube and look up a channel called Product Design Online and look up his 30-day course. It's Learn Fusion 360 in 30 days. And that is how I learned Fusion. It's a great course and it's free. I'll leave a link in the description so you can just click on that and start that. Also, another site that I recommend is Learn Everything About Design. Now he has more complex things on there to model, but it's quite simple and he goes over in great detail how to model those things too. So those are two great YouTube channels that I recommend. Again, that's Product Design Online and Learn Everything About Design. Also, if you're interested in learning more about design as far as like CNC, using Fusion 360 for CNC, building furniture and stuff like that, then I would recommend going to the website Product Design Online. And his website, he's got a lot of stuff there to learn and a lot of examples for you to learn how to use Fusion to design furniture, using a CNC mill, how to cut all the stuff out, and just a lot of great information there also. But again, I'll leave links to those channels and websites in the description. And so with that out of the way, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, first thing I did modeling the Airbus, I had to find some pictures of the Airbus. So what I did is looked up A350 Airbus. A350 Airbus blueprints. Now, once you do that, you'll get a lot of pictures of the A350. So make sure you put that word in blueprints, though. This word here, blueprints, because if you don't put blueprints in there, you're not going to get as many pictures. But anyway, find some pictures in here that you can model from. There's lots of them. And it's up to you which one you want to use, and go ahead and save those and save them to a spot on your computer that you can find them pretty quick. But that's the first thing you have to do. Now, next thing, open up Fusion and go ahead and bring in these pictures. So I went to the insert here, click on canvas, click on insert from computer. And look for your pictures. I know where mine are. It's just showing you that here where I don't know, a bunch of stuff there in the downloads. So the Airbus is here. So let's open this one. Now it's going to ask which plane to put it on, the picture. So I'm going to click this plane here, which is the right plane. And now if you notice, the picture is very small. So right here, scroll out. And there it is. And click OK over here. All right. Now, turn on the origin here. All right. Now the next thing, what I want to do is scale this, how big I want the Airbus to be. So let's say I want this to be 8 feet long. What I do next is click here on the canvas, and this is a picture of the Airbus. Right click on this, and what we want to do is calibrate. Now, I want this to be 8 feet. So from the nose here, all the way back here, about right there. I want that to be 8 feet. So I just type in 8 feet. The Airbus went away. It's very large now, so just scroll down, and there it is again. Now what I want to do is just line this nose up right here with this right here. So what I do there, again, is click, right click, edit canvas, and I'll just go ahead and move this. I'll use the bottom one here. Okay, and click OK. Now what I'm going to do here is rename this to the side view of the Airbus. Or just side view. Okay, now what I want to do is add a top view. So what I'll do again, I'm going to turn this one off. Go ahead and click insert again and go to canvas. Insert from my computer. And open this up. Now it's asking which plane I want to put this on, and I'm going to put this on the top plane. Actually, as you can see, it's a tiny picture, but it's the wrong picture. Okay, that's not a problem. Just go ahead and cancel that. All right, what I'm going to do now is putting a top view. So what I do here, insert, canvas, from my computer, here. Now it's asking me which plane I want it on. This one. Click OK. Now what I'm going to do is scale it to size here. Again, we want here to here to be 8 feet. So go here, click calibrate. And type in 8 feet. Now, want to move this, so edit canvas. I move this here to line it up here. And click OK. See, this is what we have so far. Now I want to add in the front view. So we'll do the same thing again. Go to insert, canvas, same picture, 3 view, open. It's going to ask what plane I want it on. Put on the front plane. Click OK. Now we need to scale this. These 3 pictures here, 3 view, they should be all to scale. So what I want to do here is calibrate. 8 feet. Now I want to move this. Edit canvas. And click OK. Now this is what we have so far. Now we want to rename these. This is the top view. This is the front view. Okay, so that's it for now. That's how I lined up the preview pictures and everything that I needed to model this in Fusion, and how I found the pictures also. Remember, when you're searching for pictures of whether it be you want a drawings of cars, airplanes, helicopters, boats, etc., make sure you put that word blueprint in there. Just putting that one word in there is going to save you a lot of time searching for pictures and 3 views and stuff like that. Alrighty, so the next video that I'll show you is I'm going to show you how I model the fuselage. I'm going to start from the front and go all the way to the back. So the next video, I'm going to show you how we got the fuselage modeled in Fusion. So, alrighty, so if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit the subscribe button also, so you won't miss out on upcoming videos and everything that I'm working on my channel. And thank you, and catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.